everyone, my name is Mark Plant and this is MPV Vlogs. Hey everyone, like I said, my name is Mark Plant and this is MPV Vlogs. Thanks for coming in. I do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button down on the bottom. It really does help out the channel a lot. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. You guys are the reason why I'm able to do videos like these. If you hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button, you'll get a notification anytime I put up a new video. Leave me a comment on this video, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, whatever you feel. Let's get into the video. We're going to do an unboxing today of a Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is one of the most popular dash cams on the market. Very inexpensive compared to what they were 5 years ago. This one here I picked up on Amazon for roughly $100. So it's 1080p. Yeah, 1080p. Records in 1080p, has voice commands. There's accessories that you can purchase to install in your vehicle, which will allow this to record while you're not in your vehicle. It will sense an accident and automatically save the video. It connects through Bluetooth to your smartphone, both Android and iPhones. So the reason I got this here is I just purchased a new truck, which I'll be doing some videos on. I have a 2024 Ford Ranger XLT model. And the reason I purchased this, the truck that I traded in was a 2016 Toyota Tacoma SR5. The feature with this vehicle is, you'll see here, is it actually had a GoPro mount on the windshield. So I was able to have a dash cam using my GoPro. Problem with the GoPro is battery runs out really quick. GoPros overheat very quickly. And to use the GoPro in this truck, I would have to use a rig with a suction cup on it, and it just occupied too much space on the windshield and gave me a blind spot. So when you see the size of this, you'll understand why I got it. Video on this is, from what I've seen, is incredible. Setup, I heard, is not that easy. So why don't we just get right into it? We'll open the box up, see what's in it. And then what we have to do is we have to connect it to my cell phone, which that's the difficult part. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. Okay, so for this installation, or for this unboxing basically, here's the box. Like I said, it is the Dash Cam Mini 2. You can get this on Amazon. You can get it a lot of places. They have it at Best Buy and Walmart and such. Gonna need a smartphone, which I've got my iPhone right here. And you're also going to need a mini SD card. Make sure if you do purchase this that you get one that's fast enough. This is a SanDisk Extreme, records at high speeds. And one of the benefits with this also is once the card is full from video, it will go back to the beginning and start looping over the video. So we'll get into that a little bit more later. So let's put that aside. Let's put the phone aside. And let's see what's in this box. I'm not going to go too in depth in what's in the box. It's pretty basic stuff. But like I said, when it comes to size, that's the camera. It's actually smaller than the key fob for my truck. So this will hide on the windshield behind the rearview mirror, and I won't even see it when I'm driving. But that's the first thing that comes out of the box. And there's going to be 2 power cords for this, plus instructions, quick instructions. Okay, there's the second one, and then there's the power adapter that will attach to your, I don't know what they call it now. It used to be for a cigarette lighter. I believe it's 12 volt. I believe that's what it is, 12 volt. And then also has an additional mount. Okay, the two power cords are, this one is 6 foot, this one is 12 foot. I'm most likely going to be using the 12 foot, just so the wire's not going down over and basically through the middle of my windshield or through my view path. So we'll see how that works, because I'm going to have to finagle it, because this receptacle in my truck is actually in my center console. So I don't want to have to use the USB port, but we'll see. So yeah, that's all that's in the box, as you can see. So what do you say we go and let's set it up on the phone?
All right, so we're over here on the phone now. So we need to go into the App Store. Okay, so we have the Garmin Drive. I'm going to click that rail click.
Double click to install. And it just takes a second for it to be installed. Okay, so we open it. Get it allowed to use Bluetooth. We'll let it send me notifications for now. I have to agree to the license. So we'll go next. Gives you the warning so that if you get into an accident, they're not responsible. Okay. So we got Garmin Dash Cam series. Oop, I actually gotta plug that thing in. Okay, so let's open this up. I'm gonna need the 12 foot. So I'm gonna use in the truck anyway. And luckily I have a USB port on my desk here. And that gets plugged in. Okay. Green light blinking. Hold down the save button until it flashes blue. There we go. We got blue flashing. Connecting. Requesting to pair. So we do that. Okay. And this is the part where online that I've seen has a problem. Okay. Tap the button below. Like I said, this is the part where a lot of people have had problems. There we go. There's the Mini 2. We'll select that. Maybe I'll get lucky. It's basically warning you that it's going to record video and audio. Setting up the camera right now. Okay, I'm signed out. I never created an account. So, there we go. Create account. And of course, this stuff's going to be blurred out. Okay. Like I said, that's going to be all blurred out. Send next. Okay, I'll need to set up two-step authentication or verification. We'll click continue. All right, so. Okay, so it's basically just saying that if I get charged by my cell phone company for text, it's my responsibility. Okay, so it's saying each time I go in, that I'll have to log in and it's going to send me a code. I have to do that each time. Okay, there's a little extra layer of security for this. So we'll continue. This I think I got to do outside. So let's see what align the camera does. Okay, trying to connect to the camera now. Okay, this has got to be the part that was the pain in the ass. Okay, still saying that it's waiting for the connection. Let's see what happens if I say done. Nope, still hasn't connected. Still trying to connect to the camera. Oop. There we go. Looks like it connected. Okay, so the camera is connected now. Shoot. It's upside down, which of course it's going to go like that. Okay, let's go back here. Still not connecting to the camera. Okay, I think the problem that I'm having is that I haven't put the card in yet. So let's see if I can shut this off. Is it this? Shut it off. So what we're going to do let's open this up. I'm going to open up the memory card. Let's see. And I'll assume the card goes in this way. Okay, so the card is in now. Let's plug this back in and see if this works. So the green light goes on. I think I have to format the card somehow. So let's go over here. That's a vault. I don't want that. So let's go to settings. Vehicle 1. Front. Okay, so I can do all the... Here we go. Format's the SD card. Okay, so that's formatting right now. Hopefully it tells me when it's done. Okay, so it's done. We've got red light flashing. Not sure what that means. Green. There we go. So we get a notification from... Okay, so the camera looks like it's all set right now. I think red means that it's recording right now. I go to live view. Here you go. It is recording. I got it upside down. Those lines are because of the lights I have here in my workshop. Okay, Garmin, record video. Okay, so, yep, there are the videos. It's got to connect to the camera. Join that. Okay, so it seems to be working. All right, so the camera is all set up right now. I probably should update the firmware, but I'll do that a little bit later. Let's go see if we can put this in my truck. I got the adapter. I'm going to take this. I'm going to plug this in here. So now I got an extra USB port in my center console here. Okay, so I'll take that. You can see it's in my center console. Plug that in. Does not have constant power, which is a good thing. Let's see what happens when I turn the truck on. Yep, there we go. Okay. Let's see if this gives any problems here. Let's look at live view. It's connecting to the camera, which is recording. Wants to join. So I'm connecting to the feed now. There we go. Okay. Boy, this really sucks. This is what the problem was. They had a lot of problems with this. It's not one to connect to this thing. I think it's... Let me start this up. See if that makes a difference. I think that the Apple CarPlay is screwing with this. Go in here. All right, so I have the camera. What I did was I went in and I updated the firmware, and it seemed to have worked. So what I'm doing right now is I'm plugging it back into the adapter here. Okay. Start the truck up. Camera goes on. So it's recording now. Okay. So we'll come out. Let's see if I can see the live view now. Should automatically connect to it. No. So join. What the hell? This is freaking pissing me off. I think the Apple CarPlay is screwing with it. Let's cancel that. Go to settings. Let's turn it off. Which is, if it's picking up there, it shut off. Let's go in here. Let's see if that's what's causing the problem. That's the problem. Apple CarPlay is causing the problem. So, I have to figure that out. We're going to mount this. Okay, so it's going to go right there. All right, hopefully that's long enough. Let's take that off. It can come out the front there. That closes. Okay, so I think I got it all set now. Wasn't that easy. I gotta figure out why CarPlay won't work. So let me see. I'll go back over here. Go here. Go to Ford Ranger. Turn CarPlay on. Nope, and that knocks it off. All right, I'm gonna have to figure that out, but let's see. Last thing to check, when I turn the truck off, oh, okay, so it's still on as long as this is on. That's right, let's open the door. And shut it. Okay, so that shuts it off. That should shut off. Beautiful, that's exactly what I want. I just have to figure out why CarPlay is screwing it up. That's it. That's unboxing and installing the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. I think that's the right name. A little frustrating. The app is really difficult to set up. I know what I'm doing with the app, so it's a little bit easier, but yeah, for someone that's a newbie, that would be tough. CarPlay is a problem I got to figure out, but that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button down on the bottom. It really does help me out. If you're already a subscriber, hit the bell icon. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you know how to get around the CarPlay issue with the app. It's driving me nuts. But that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys again real soon.